Good morning, guys. It is like 6 o'clock in the morning here in the lot, and we are at the Swiss BelResort, and it is one of the most unique places I have ever been to mainly because of the property. The property here is absolutely enormous, and this place is so beautiful. The price that I paid during monsoon season and booking well ahead of time was about $70 a night, which is, compared to the vast majority of standards, including standards over here actually, is a bit of a steal because it's like half the price of most of the other 5-star hotels that I had a look at. So, but let's have a walk inside and see what's it like. But I guess you can kind of tell why it's called the Swiss BelResort, because the theming on this place is top notch. Really, it is top notch. Let's head inside and see what everything is like here. Obviously, you can't go without your grand entrance with the gigantic chandelier, but one of the reasons you go here is not necessarily because of the hotel itself, because it's, I would actually call it a little standard, really. Yeah, the theming is unique, but the experience is kind of what you come for. You don't really care about what everything looks like, and this is actually the ground floor, since we just entered the lobby there. And why don't you look at that? I'm not going to show you too much because there's actually a higher balcony on our floor where the room is. I just wanted to give you guys a quick preview of that. But the scenery is absolutely gorgeous. So to actually get to the amenities, you actually have to go down one. Oh, here you go. And the elevators are fast. There aren't a lot of people right now, but the elevators are fast. So lobby ground is actually where the amenities are. And as you can tell, the elevator is gold. It's actually pretty nice. It's pretty clean. I know this kind of stuff gets fingerprints all the time, so they had to put a lot of effort into it. It is still early. There really isn't anyone here yet, but here's karaoke. They have karaoke. It's an Asian place after all. And if you go to here, there's actually a warm pool, a heated pool, a fitness center, and a spa. But I'm not gonna bother them in the morning. But you know, they have all the standard stuff. But the scenery and the locale is what's unique. And when you head outside, you just look at how beautiful this is. There's even a reception here, full terrace, and it is beautiful. The pool is enormous. It's not really your standard sized pool here. Oh, feet getting wet. But look at those clouds going through the mountainside. This place is beautiful, and it's hard to tell, but all of this property is theirs. Like the ring road around it is a private road. But this place is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I think I have a little bit of time to walk down a little. Let's see. Because I want to show you guys as much as possible. The only issue is it's 6 o'clock. Breakfast is at 6:30. I have to review that for you guys. And then we are leaving this place at 7 because this is our last night in the lot. We're going back to Ho Chi Minh City, and well, that's not a quick ride. I will be driving the bike or scooter in America, and it is very slow and tight mountain roads. So it's normally at normal speeds, it would take about 5 or 6 hours. For me, I wouldn't be surprised if that doubled to 10 to 12. So, but just have a look at this. That scenery is gorgeous, and you get the swings and the chairs out on the mountainside. Absolutely beautiful. But when we go up higher, we'll be able to see everything. Obviously, this place is big on golf. The majority of the property is golf course. So if you like that, this place is definitely the place for you. But look at the theming on the building. I'm sorry guys, the sun isn't out. It's cloudy, foggy, and morning. Not the best way to shoot, but it's the only time I've got, sorry. But let's head up to my floor, because the views are much, much better. But actually, let's start on this end before we go to the main balcony. This is the 5th floor, and I am on the 5th floor, so this is my room, my room level. So they do have a 6th floor, but here's the thing: the 6th floor is only available by stairs. It's private because it's 2 private suites. The entire top floor, whatever is available, is just 2 private suites. So yeah, I haven't looked at the price for that, but I'm assuming it's not cheap. Let's see. Let's have a look at this. Look at that view. Gigantic golf course, and this is only the end of the building. It's just like one end of it, but this is what you get on just this end. Beautiful lake, beautiful mountainside, the clouds, the fog. Oh yeah, the sitting area. Let's head to the other side because I don't have a lot of time. Here we go. Look at that pool. And over there, I would love to eat breakfast there, just overlooking the mountainside. Nice cool breeze. The problem is it's wet. Everything is wet. So I can't actually review breakfast that way. I was really hoping. But just, what do I really have to say? I don't think I have to say anything. Look at that. Just, and as you can tell, pretty much every room, I think every room, except the bottom rooms, obviously. Are there any bottom rooms? I don't think there are. But every room has a balcony. All of them. But just, look at that. How can you beat this? How can you beat this landscape? How can you, man, I am at a loss for words here for $70 a night. Gorgeous. Well, let's head to the other end balcony and show you guys what they have over there. Tennis court. The rest of the golf course that goes at the front of the property, and the rest of the golf course at the rear of the property. Man, we are away from everything. It is a bit of a drive over here, but it's definitely worth it. Absolutely beautiful. You get a nice cool breeze. It has never been hot here. I don't know if it's just the season or not, but this is supposed to be a hot season. It was hot in every other city. But over here, it is just nice and cool. Gorgeous. With the mountain road winding around.